Chiefs. So it is CAF Confederations Cup because Chiefs won again, as DJ Carlo always says, another one, and is Zesco United well about 0. They haven't gotten any point well about Sitele Wakala. Like group stages, which is actually set on their side, which means they are already disqualified. Available. What a beautiful match from like side available, course. Even though I'm not fully satisfied, because I believe we could have done better, we could have done much better available, more than what you actually did available on this match here. I felt like we could have controlled the match more better. I felt like we could have scored more goals, but we just have to do it in a fashionable way available of just scoring 1-0 ever since Celestine 2026. So yeah, it is 4 matches and 4 wins, all of them winning by 1 goal and 4 clean sheets available, which is amazing again from Isaiah Peterson. And on today's game, speaking about Peterson, we just need to give that guy a credit. Many people were speaking about Peterson is just getting a month clean sheet because I save about test and stuff but today he actually ended the debate by showing why he's the best goalkeeper currently in Mzansi and why he will be the best. He will be the goalkeeper of the season actually the season, because like already the guy, just give him like an award because actually deserves it, because what a beautiful performance from him today. Like again, I just want to say again, what a beautiful performance from Brendan Peterson. If it wasn't because of him, about things they were going to be like changing, we couldn't be sitting on the position let's go right now. So currently we're on position 2 available CAF Confederations Cup, representing the country. By the way, we are the only team that's representing the country this week. Mamelodi Sundowns lost. Stellenbosch, I don't wanna be speaking about them because it is a thing of at home. How come we are getting whooped 3-0 proud Lalela home, so it was a disappointing result from them. But also I don't know which side Labama, but if they still have the chances to actually qualify, also I just wanna say which I wish them all the best, and us as like a coordination as a PFA nivel Lama boys we just did our job, and the Simele as well Mzansi and the Simele. Okay, let me shut up. But yeah, and then on today's match, I just wanna first speak about like the first half. On the first half, we were dominating. Okay, let me actually say something. On the first half, we were playing very, very, very beautiful football, except this one issue. Yeah, but if you can just stop losing like balls very reckless, we could become something else, because like the way is connecting a corner ukatsheni nonto nomabo there in the middle, and also Obrigado Mfundo Vilakazi today was on another mode. I don't know what was actually happening. It was a thing good. Like I always say to Velusirino is the best number 10, and Anama Sajo Velesti good is the best number 10, but Mfundo Vilakazi today just step in his foot just to show what he actually deserves also to not only play on a right winger but also play as that attacking midfield available today. It showed that it was a proof pass but had like available. The way the boy was actually detecting, the way the ball was able to actually play short passes available, the way the ball was using his technique most of the time. Even it was the boy that actually assisted. But no, let's not also forget to give Flavio da Silva we credit ukuthi like was able to actually as a striker also ukuthi like angabi nale mentality level a striker, which is very mentality striker, which I'm not against kuyo ukuthi like if you get yourself an opportunity to shoot or go very deep available ukuthi uyokora, you actually take that chance. But he didn't decide to be aggressive. He saw the option on them right hand side, and then he gave it to Mfundo Vilakazi, and then Mfundo Vilakazi gave it to Lilepo, and then Lilepo addressing the fact that they were saying is good like his goal available mistake during the week, which also want to speak about it. It was I don't think like that goal cross in there, but the power behind like the ball that was generated available when he was actually crossing, as you all might say available, is isn't the type of vele phave lozoyidinga vele uma cross. So he was actually shooting, and a press conference the coach actually said ukuthi Lelepo came to the coaches and then he said ukuthi he wanna take more shots because yele wabona ukuthi the keeper weSkhukhune United uyaphuma phandle. So this match again the boy, but it wasn't like that. It was like, okay, let me address the issue ukuthi ngithi ngiyacrossa. Look now, 2 games, 2 goals, beautiful performance from him. He could have gotten an assist also because there were many times where like he supplied the ball but we couldn't actually convert available on a first half. As I'm still on it, we could have scored many opportunities. We could have like ended first half like 3 goals available, but we couldn't because there was even a time Flavio Silva actually got a chance about Flavio Silva the way young corner actually like shooter like uyadubula lo mjita lo, but on that place I felt like he could have just like passed the net. If for example if like Gaston Sireno was there, I'm not comparing, I'm just showing an example. If Gaston Sireno was there, but if you pelela ama goals Gaston Sireno most of the time available when they are cutting the ball in and then he just passes the net about, I felt like he could have used that technique, but the guy that is deadly as he is decided to go with like a power, and that corner it wasn't like a miss, which is horrible, but he could have done better vele. And another thing, I just hope like the boy gets like ama goals because I don't like it at this point when Flavio Silva is not scoring. I just don't like it. And then one of the issues angakho is because not the way available abamfuka ukuthi role yakhe adlala ngakhona, this thing ukuthi we're gonna be playing long balls and then after that uzomela anto available adlalele available abuyisa ibhola vele move available and to connect the same role that they were actually giving this guy Ghost Power Ikotaro available. They are actually giving it to Flavio Silva right now, and it doesn't get how much chances I'm manning to be on the right space. And then like even though sometimes I have on the right space, but they are not giving him like I'm a passes. So that is something that I don't wanna say which that's supposed to be fixed because it tactic vele, but that's the reason he's not actually scoring. And I hope Uguti the boy uyakora available. And then Umabu, just wanna speak about him also. What a beautiful today he commanded the match. I don't wanna he commanded the match, and also we just need to give the credit to Mabo and Ukacheni, the main reason, one of the reasons, the main reason we are not conceding like ama goals most of the time is because like it defenses, as much as they are waking up Konika, we might be giving them ama credits, no Miguel available, all of them, Munyambo Solomons, all the back four, no Pedro Peterson, but the guys that's actually protecting us, it is the midfielder. When you're having 2 of like players which both of them bang 6, both of them bang 8 at the same time, because like they are good at marking and also they are good at progressing their ball vele, but most of the time actually see Umabo available progressing mama doing a lot of like marking and then Undlovu, but they just change most of the time depending on what like but take a very good leap on the left hand or like on the right hand available. So I just want to give credit to 2 of like the gents because like must attack a very offensive side also. But for example today, look at that Paul Ehitula Kumabo, brilliant. Look at how like Ukajedi available was able to when like it came intense was good my trippy polang or minus a play one and then after that be on composure and then pass the ball available, which is actually beautiful. And also Tulan Mabas also when like he's being introduced, it is not the thing which like he's dropping available them tempo. Let's just give like credit to our midfield. I'm just happy the way we are playing like midfield, and that is actually protecting available our defense. And on an offensive side, let's score more goals. And another player that I want to speak about, it is Bule Modi. On this match, he was the guy that was actually like switching on the attack mode, if we're being honest. And also like on the defensive side, the guy is actually was helping us available a lot. So that is somebody that I also want to give really credit to. So yeah, there were many players that were actually like exceptionally well, but the player really, which I would say I was actually impressed the most available because I haven't seen him on that level yet on the senior team available Kaizer Chiefs or Obrigado Mfundo Vilakazi. Even though I still think it's like he can actually give us more, but I was happy today with like a performance and Yeah, I mean, iphefeni isepusha kanjalo 1-0 but let's score more goals because hey lizosibambisa ngama heart attack bafethu. But yeah, I'm proud of the boys. And now let's just focus to a Nedbank Cup, and my man of the match I'll just give it to the one and only, let me see, between Brendan Peterson and Mabo. It is actually hard. If Mfunda Vilakazi played the full match, it was gonna be hard, but with the boy actually Uyelo Akatala available, I think Brendan Peterson, yeah, I'm gonna give it to Brendan Peterson. But you touched it 1%, 49% Kumabo. I just gonna give it to Brendan Peterson because he was just proving everybody which Wyville is the best available, and he narrated which like is performing week in week out. And yeah, thank you. Let's get to 1K. We're getting there anytime soon. Thank you.